Everyone, how are you all? I hope that all will be doing great and really doing amazing for your career. Today in this video, I want to talk about the confidence. Do you have confidence to start speaking in English, or do you want to talk in front of people because of some reason you are unable to speak in front of them? So this video is for you because in this video, I'm going to break down your confidence level. But before that, I want to show you something behind me. Guys, you can see the view behind me. Really, it is amazing place. I'm here to make a video because at my home, I was feeling overwhelmed to make video at my home because there were so many people around me. I decided that let's go out and create any video. So guys, today just you can see my face. I'm so happy because of coming here. I want to talk about the confidence because, guys, just I want to let you back in my starting journey. When I started this language journey, that time I had no confidence. You know what? Whenever I used to watch videos in English language. So I was thinking that, oh my God, they are able to speak in English language. They are just talking whatever is coming in their mind. Would I be able to speak in English language like that? Will I be able to share my all thoughts in front of myself? I did not want to share my thoughts in front of anyone. I used to think that if I'm able to speak in English language in front of me, that it will be okay, that will be great achievement for me. So I used to think, and I was thinking that I would never be able to speak in English language. It was very tough for me because I from village area, and in village area you must have looked around yourself that people do not have confidence for learning any skill. They have confidence for fighting, for backbiting. I'm talking about the villager. So I was among them, and I had confidence for talking to anyone in my local language about anything. But when I decided to learn English language, I was thinking it would be so difficult for me. It is going to be very difficult because it is new skill, and I will not be able to learn English while living in my village. I decided to learn English language, and somehow I started my journey. But I used to face only one problem, guys, that is not having confidence. I used to write my script that what I'm going to speak. I used to start making video, but I was not able to speak even 1 minute. I was unable to speak in English language. I was just thinking in my mind that if I'm saying that मैं खाना चाहती हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश बोलना चाहती हूँ, तो what to say this line in English. I was thinking in my mind, and I was taking 2-3 minutes for thinking one line sentence. So in this way I used to waste my time, and because of that I was losing my confidence. I did not have any confidence. So one day what happened, one day my father was there when I just sit down to read. I was writing something, and he came to me that, and he asked me that, what are you doing, Kala? I think that you have been learning English, you have been trying to learn English language for 1 month or 2 months, but still you are not getting anything. Still you are just watching videos, you're not doing your English speaking practice. Father is like his nature is like kind of just having something, having everything in short time. Always think that if anyone is doing anything, so she must have result in short time. So my father was like that. He was just looking about my result. He was thinking that she is learning English. I don't know why she is learning, but she does not have any result. And always she used to, and always he used to bother me that you are doing useless work. I was thinking, I was just, what, sometimes it was over. Sometimes it was crossing the limit because of listening their negative points. I was putting my efforts, and main thing, guys, while learning English, I was not trying to speak in English. I was only trying to learn something. I was always watching videos, and it was my main mistake that I used to make. I was not trying to speak in English language, but I used to watch videos every day, and only by watching videos I was considering that I'm able to speak in English language. Only by watching videos I can learn English, I can start speaking in English. It was my major mistake, and the day when I got to know about this mistake, from that day I started speaking in English. I stopped watching videos. Earlier time when I got to know about my mistake, I just decided that no, from today onwards, I will not watch any video. I will just start speaking, no matter I'm speaking wrong or correct. So I started, and in earlier time, for 1 month, I just spoke very incorrect English. I was making so many mistakes. So that time I was thinking that I have been wasting my time for 1 year, but still I'm not able to speak in English language. I'm making so many mistakes, and I started losing my confidence. I lost my confidence. I just broke in pieces. I broke my all dreams in pieces. So one question I have asked it to myself, that if I want to stop this journey, so why did I start? Why did I start learning English language if I don't have the courage of learning English language? I asked this question. I was in depression because I was not getting anything. So finally I decided that no, this is not a stopping journey. I have started this journey because I just want to go in the last of this journey. I want to learn English. I have started this journey. So if I have ability to start my journey, so I have ability to stop my journey with great ends. So I again started speaking in English language. I always whole day and whole night I was busy. I was crazy to think about English language. I was only thinking about English, that I have to learn. I have to learn. I don't know how can I learn, but I want to learn. I was doing English speaking practice. Whenever I was getting free time, I started my camera. I started making video. I was speaking on which things, whatever I was looking around me, I was talking about that. And one only in 1 month, I was finally able to speak in English language. And if I talk about the confidence, guys, so if you do practice every day, but if you don't get a result, so automatic your confidence goes down. But once you start getting something from your journey, from your efforts, then automatically your confidence goes high. So if you want to improve your confidence level, then don't think about the result, put your 100%, because one day you will definitely get the result. And when once you get your result too, you will be able to once you're able to get your result, automatically you will feel confidence, guys. So confidence does not come from our failure. Confidence comes from our result. So just bring result, put your efforts until you get your result. This is my motive of making this video. And if you don't have confidence, so you need to work. So if you don't have confidence, so you need to work on that. You need to do practice a lot for English speaking. I'm talking about the English. You need to be very curious to learn something about English language. And once your mind is very creative to learn about English language, automatically you will be very confident. It is my own words. Okay, so I hope that you got motivation and you got confidence from this video. Confidence cannot be bought from anywhere. It is something that you have to work on that. Okay, so work on your skill, work on your ability, so that you could feel confidence always. So guys, this was the motive of this video, and I hope that you like this video, you got to learn something. If you got, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.